ProLin PLM.
Hello, this is Chris Fries from ProLin PLM. Welcome to our Industry Update series where we share regular updates regarding the industries we serve. Today, we're looking at the automotive industry, particularly additive manufacturing in the auto industry. Additive manufacturing is the process by which 3D objects are built in CAD systems by adding layer upon layer of material. This process allows companies to reimagine their products, reinvent the way they manufacture, and thus rethink the way they do business. In the auto industry, we're seeing an increased emphasis in efficiency standards driven by environmental regulations. How can automotive manufacturers begin to meet efficiency requirements? An easy way is by lowering the weight of the car, and it's possible to alter the weight through additive manufacturing by making parts lighter while still maintaining strength and integrity. One new way to lower the weight of individual parts in a vehicle is through topology optimization in additive manufacturing. Topology optimization takes inputs such as materials height, build envelope, and load conditions and allows the computer system to design an optimized part from those inputs. During the optimization process, the system will also calculate the distortion and strain resulting from applied loads. In this image, you can see a vehicle part from NX software undergoing topology optimization. With integrated topology optimization in NX, you can reduce the weight of a part by allowing the system to optimize the solution. Once the part has been optimized, you can then modify the part as necessary to achieve the desired solution. This image shows the same part, but with additional features created for optimization. Now, topology optimization often creates parts that can only be manufactured using additive manufacturing. NX contains functions, though, for executing the entire additive manufacturing process from design to print. This includes build tray setup, which you can see in this image, support structure generation, and print execution. For large enterprise companies, having the entire additive manufacturing process integrated into NX means the digital data thread from design to print remains unbroken, reducing the chance for error. And by industrializing additive manufacturing, we can make automobiles of the future more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly than ever before. Thank you for watching.
ProLin PLM.